Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to schedule a Google Meet for later so your team or friends can join at the right time. First of all, open the Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar on your phone or computer. You need a Google account to schedule a meeting. Go to the Play Store or search the Google Calendar, or you can directly go to the meetings, and here you will see the new option and schedule. Here, if you have Google Calendar, it will automatically come. If you don't have, click here always on the Play Store and install the Google Calendar. Now click create or tap the plus button, then choose the event, enter the meeting name, date and time. Make sure it's the time you want your meeting to start. After you have installed the Google Calendar, you will see this option. Then add Google Meet link. In the event details, click add Google Meet video conferencing. A unique meeting link will be generated automatically for the participant. Then you can share the link to the participants. They will receive an invite with the Google Meet link and add a calendar reminder. Save and share. Click save and send the invite. Your Google Meet is now scheduled for later and participants will get notification before the meeting starts. And that's it. Now you know how to set up Google Meet for later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.